Question is, the smooth 0.5 kg double collar as shown in figure can freely slide on arm AV and the circular guide rod. If the arm rotate with a constant speed, theta dot is equal to 3 rad per second. Determine the force exerted on the collar by the arm. So first given was theta dot is equal to 3 rad per second, and we have to find the force exerted on the collar by the arm. Now in this figure, arm AV is slide in this circular rod whose radius is 0.4. So this total is 0.8 meter, and let's AC be the R and this angle is theta, and given was theta is equal to 45 degree. We have to find the force exerted on the collar by the arm at that instant when theta is equal to 45 degree. Now this rod arm is slide on this circular rod, so the normal reaction act perpendicular to this, and let's say this is a radial direction, and perpendicular to this is theta direction, and this angle is also theta, that is 45 degree. Now simply the free diagram at point C. So this is a radial direction, let's say R direction, and perpendicular to this is theta direction, and this is a and directed downward, and this angle is 45 degree. Now the force F exerted on the collar by the arm at dashed instant, let's this is F, and this act perpendicular to the this arm AB, cause the angular speed is constant. That means there is a maximum force, and for the maximum force the force act perpendicular, so force F is act perpendicular to this arm AB. Now this is a n cos 45 degree, and this is a n sin 45 degree. Now taking this side as a positive, Fr is equal to we know MAR, so Fr is a minus of n cos 45 degree is equal to MAR. Let's say this is equation number 1, and F theta is equal to MA theta. Taking this as a positive, then this is a F minus n sin 45 degrees equal to M A theta. Let's this is equation number 2. Now for the value of, we have to find the value of n and F. So for that we have to know the value of AR and NO, and as you know, AR is equal to R double dot minus R theta dot square, and A theta is equal to R 2R dot theta dot plus R theta double dot. So given was theta dot is equal to 3 rad per second, and the angular velocity is constant, so that means theta double dot is 0 rad per second square, and we have to find R and R theta, R dot and R double dot. So for that we consider this AC is R. So from this figure, when we draw join this and this angle becomes 90 degree. So from this triangle, cos theta is equal to simply r by this total length 0.8. So this implies r is equal to 0.8 cos theta. So r is equal to 0.8 cos theta, and 0.8 cos theta is 45 degree. So this gonna be 0.8 cos 45 degree. So this is 0.565 meter, and r dot is derivative of 0.8 cos theta. So this is minus 0.8 sin theta. Derivative of cos theta is sin theta, and the derivative of theta is theta dot, right? So this is minus 0.8 into sin 45 degree into theta dot is 3. So this gonna be 0.8 sin 45 into 3. So this is a minus 1.697 meter per second, and r theta dot is d by dt of minus 0.8 sin theta dot. So this is 0.8 sin theta, and the derivative of theta dot is theta double dot, plus derivative of sin theta is cos theta, and derivative of theta is theta dot, and this theta dot, so this is a theta square. So this is minus 0.8 into this is 0 cos theta double dot is 0. So plus cos 45 degree into this is 3 square. So this gonna be 9 cos 45 into 0.8. So this is a minus 5.091 meter per second square. Now we have to find AR. So AR is R double dot minus R theta dot square. So R double dot is minus 5.091 minus R into theta dot is 3, so 3 square. So this is minus 5.091 minus R is 0.565 into 9. So this gonna be 5.091 plus 0.565 into 9. So this is minus 10.176 meter per second square, and a theta is equal to 2 r dot theta dot plus r theta double dot. So this is 2 into r dot is minus 1.697 into theta dot is 3, and this is 0 cos theta double dot is 0. So this gonna be 6 into 1.697. So this is minus 10.182 meter per second square. Now from equation number 1, minus n cos 45 degree is equal to MAR. So this implies minus n cos 45 degree is equal to M is 0.5 into AR is minus 10.176. So this implies n is equal to 10.176 into 0.5 divided by cos 45. So this is 7.2096 Newton. And from equation number 2, F minus n sine 45 degree is equal to M A theta. So F is equal to M A theta plus n sine 45 degree. So this is 0.5 into a theta is minus 10.182 plus n is 7.2096 into sine 45 degree. So this gonna be into sine 45 degree minus 0.5 into 10.182. So this is nearly equal to 0. So these two are the our required answer. So that's the method to calculate the force exerted on the collar by the arm. So that's the solution for this question.